I had sent him to other camps, and he's not athletic. He really didn't always like doing what they were involved with. So it was so nice because he has his own peer with him. Last year it was a teenager, and she pretty much does what he wants all day. So he really enjoys it. He's never once said, "Oh, I don't want to go back," or he's excited about going this year. And I've never had that before, because with other things, other activities I put him in, I don't want to go. It's like forcing him to go. And now it's great that I have someplace to send him where he enjoys it.
So for years, when kids are 5 or whatever, you start thinking about camp or whatever, and you could never really find a place. And did SCAMP come right to mind, or did it take a little bit of searching around to kind of get the fit right?
I thought since he was so high-functioning autism that I thought, I feel like he could go, to another camp, but he just wasn't. Every day, I don't want to go back, and I didn't really have fun. And he's getting to the age now where if he doesn't participate in the sports activities and be part of the team, the other kids, will start to pressure him or not be nice, and I never have to worry about that. It's great to send him someplace where I know I don't have any worries.
Hey, Jake, your turn.
Okay, so
yeah, tell me, what do you like about SCAMP?
Well, there we actually we do like boating, swimming, and stuff like that, Independence Oaks, and it's kind of fun to do that because then, you actually get to, have the fun opportunity, It's kind of fun because actually in the summer we get a camp, okay, and guess what?
What?
And these teenagers actually...
Tell me your helper's name. What is her name?
Heather.
What did she do that you loved, the story you just told me a minute ago?
Oh, she gave me piggyback rides.
Special attention, right? I mean,
Yep.
That had to feel good?
Yep.
What do you like the most about Heather?
Well, that is it. That piggyback ride, because that was kind of fun, because, you're in the sky, kind of, and guess what? It's kind of fun around the building.
What other things do you do at camp that you like?
Oh, yeah, in the room you get to, draw, and we normally walk to the playground, to have fun. From, if it's, okay, let's say it's a middle school, and then let's say that we're just going to go to the elementary next door. We just walk there to the playground for fun.
Oh, that's great.
Yep.
Hey,